On today's show, it's all about how Nix puts our client first in every interaction.
Getting ready to start plumbing.
I'm John Eccles.
I'm Richard Saad.
And we're the Potty Mouth guys, back for another episode. And this is a pretty deep one, right? Because here at Nix, customers always come first.
To me, I think that's simple.
I would think so.
I think
too.
that's very simple. The client always comes first, right?
Absolutely. And it starts right from the very time the phone call rings, the very first time, and our girls and guys in our customer care department get on there and start talking to our clients. Mm-hmm. You know, we listen to them, and we ask probing questions so that way we can get the right guy to the job. That's kind of where it starts, right?
That's right.
Showing empathy for our clients and the problems that they're having. Because we care, we really do deep down.
Absolutely,
we care.
Absolutely. And right when when you call, our customer care department is figuring out which one of our technicians is going to be best for you, which one can handle the job the best.
That's right.
These technicians are not all encompassed. Like if they have 10 different jobs, they can't maybe do all 10 different.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But we put the best one that's going to be best for what you have going on today in the home.
Yeah. And then once we do get to the home, it's about caring for your house, your home. And we do that through different steps, whether it be wearing booties or putting down drop cloths or stuff of that nature. And then once we're there, we definitely want to get into your psyche and know what your concerns are with the problems that we're having. That way we can get the best solution for you as a client.
Mm-hmm. That's exactly right.
Yeah. Every home.
And give options, right?
Yeah.
So it's your home. We want to be able to give those options so you can make the best decision for you and the family.
Oh, for sure. Because every home's a little different, every problem's a little different, and every customer and client's a little different. Mm-hmm. So it's always, you got to kind of wade through those waters and such. Along with that, our technicians are trained to be very clean, punctual, clear communication with them, upfront pricing. It's all about putting our customer and client in the utmost area of peace of mind, mm-hmm. right? So that way, when this interaction is happening, look, nobody loves to call the plumber or the HVAC technician.
No.
No one does. No one calls us for tea and crumpets at all, right? We're out there to take care of a problem that's normally unexpected. And so we're trying to make sure that y'all understand, or you understand, that we want you to be at peace of mind when everything's kind of taken care of.
That's exactly right. That's right. And then we follow up
Absolutely.
After the fact, right?
Absolutely.
We want to make sure that everything was working up to the way that it should be working, right?
That's right. Yep.
And that everybody's happy. We're happy, you're happy.
That's it.
Go away happy.
That's it. Once the technician gets done, exactly what Richard's saying, we're going to follow up and make sure that you're okay with how everything ended up and all that needs. Because, hey, at the end of the day, we want you to be a return client.
And you got exactly what you wanted.
Yeah, and you refer us to your friends and family, mm-hmm. right? We're trying to build an entire community of trust, honesty, and empathy with all of our clients, our team members, and all of those things, right? We want that to be a center of our customer relations.
Mm-hmm. That's exactly right. Dealing with stressful home issues.
Yep.
Some more than others. And what we try to do is take the weight off our clients' shoulders, right? And we try to fix it fast, fix it right, and you don't see us again.
That's right.
That's the goal.
Yep. Hey, at Nix, the customer always comes first. It's why we do what we do.
That's right. And in saying that, thank you for watching today. I should say watching, right? We're here for you. Any questions that you may have, we're here 24/7. I might not be here 24/7, but we're open 24/7. And any questions or concerns that you have, please give us a call, and we will do our best to answer those over the phone. And if we can't, we're always here for you anyway.
That's right. You have a great day.